This is a question from graph theory. A planar graph is defined as a graph drawn in a plane in such a way that any pair of edges meet only at their end vertices. A graph drawn in a plane in such a way that if the vertex set of graph can be partitioned into two non-empty disjoint subset x and y in such a way that each edge of G has one end in x and one end in y. A simple graph which is isomorphic to Hamiltonian graph. A function between the vertex set of two graphs that map adjacent vertices to adjacent vertices. So first of all, how can we define a planar graph? In graph theory, a planar graph is a graph that can be embedded in a plane. Embedded in a plane. This means that it can be drawn on a plane in such a way that its edges intersect only at endpoints. In other words, we can say that it can be drawn in such a way that no edges cross each other. That is, no edges cross each other. Such a drawing is called a planar graph. So, from the four options given, it is evident that option a graph drawn in a plane in such a way that any pair of edges meet only at their end vertices. This is the correct definition of a planar graph. So, option A is the correct choice. What option A means is that the edges do not cross each other and they intersect or meet only at their end vertices. This is what option A means, and option A is the correct answer.